I am curious how long it takes a company to set this up. Like, how much are you just pre-populating data from the CRM versus getting individuals to say, here's what the budget is and here's what this is?
It's a great question. And it's actually, we've been, as you know, in stealth mode for a few months trying to build a product that would really resonate with an early cohort of users. And it really makes sure that we transform those users into references. And the big realization that we had is as we went to market with what I've shown, then we said, yes, we just have to connect to your CRM and we'll get the data. And then magically, you're going to get all those numbers that are going to come in. And then we had our first realization as a startup, which is that we actually couldn't bring our first customers live because their CRM data was messy, like 99% of the company out there. And we entered a world where we're like, wow, we need to clean the CRM data so that we can actually construct that data model that you can report on and then get all the features that you want, which are the reports, the insights, the LTV over CAC and things like that. But getting them live was the challenge. And out of constraint, actually, we had to build a module inside Vasco, which is the radar module. And this has become the first value of Vasco and the thing that people buy first. So in Vasco, you can connect your various sources. Then we have a no-code mapping. So you have that metrics and basically you decide for all those metrics, tell me what an MQL is in your CRM. It's a contact that has this dates, this is the quota attribution, and then you can add as many conditions as you want. So no code mapping, this and that you can within 10 to 15 minutes. But then you ingest the data from the CRM, and then we realize that actually there's a lot of things that don't go well. Let me give you a few examples. Channels on the contact object are different than channels on the deal object. They use a different list for one and a different list for the other. You realize that actually there are a lot of duplicates from the same company and you think you have 5 MQLs, but actually it's just one because it's one company, but you're using the contact object at this. And therefore your conversion rates look very, very bad, but it's just because you have a ton of duplicates. You have half of your contacts that don't have the fields that are required to put in place that model. So what we've done is two things, and it's actually the thing that people now buy in the first place. We've built Radar. Once you ingest the data in your CRM, we give you that integrity score, and we tell you everywhere where you have holes in your CRM so that you can actually implement the model, the infrastructure, the architecture to build the bow tie. And then we classify them for you. And we give you clear insights of where they are. And then, for instance, you can say 117 events. We cannot track them precisely because we are missing an owner. Then we show you all the events that are there. And then you can double click on each and every one of them. And then you even have, a deep connection in the CRM. And what is that it has done? We've gamified getting the CRM cleaner, but also we've enabled more junior team to really look where to find things to fix and given them a structure on how to build that data hygiene. And we've also done some enrichments like deduplication, autofill of stages that are missed and things like that, so that we've reduced that time to get ready to now it's a few hours for our customers.